trick, you just have to follow 5 simple steps. Step 1, you should know how to do a side swing. If you don't know how to do a side swing, I've done a tutorial on that and you can find the link right here. I'll be starting with a side swing by keeping my right hand at the top and my left hand at the bottom. So let me show you how to do that. And that's how we perform a side swing. So this was going to be the first step, and we'll move on to the second step. In the second step, we'll start with a side swing, swinging from one side to other side. After swinging the rope from left side to right side, you just have to wrap the rope across your right hand. This is the second step. Moving on to the third step, we'll start with the side swing again. Wrap the rope across our right hand and move our right hand to the left side and unwrap the rope. This was the third step. Finally, we'll complete our technique in the fourth step by adding a jump. To do that, you just have to start swinging the rope from one side to other side, wrap it across your hand, unwrap it, and then jump. This is how we do a rope wrap trick. But in the beginning, I told you that it is going to be a 5-step technique. So we have to do the same using our left hand. We'll start swinging our rope from one side to other side, but this time our left hand will be at the top. To do that, start swinging like this, wrap it across your left hand, unwrap it and jump. And that's how we do a rope wrap trick. Guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you are struggling with any jump rope trick, let me know by commenting below. I'll see you in the next video.